Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I want to talk to you about a product out there that's been out there for quite a few years. My mom had these and she never got a chance to use them in her garden. And so, I mean, these things are probably like 20, 25 years old. Anyways, here it is. It's called Wallo'Water. And what these are this is upside down. I'm draining these out because I just took these off. First of all, got to back up here. I filmed this earlier and there was no sound on what I'd filmed. So I'm redoing part of it. I'm going to be using footage from the other part and giving a voiceover. So things are going to be a little weird in between what you see me there saying one thing and my mouth doing something else. So anyways, these are plastic tubes, whatever, that are seamed here together. And what you do is you fill them full of water and they help absorb heat during the daytime and radiate it out at nighttime, and it keeps the plants inside from freezing. And it says here protects plants down to 16 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and we did have several, since I planted those 4 tomatoes over there over a month ago. Over a month ago. And we've had several hard freezes since then. And we've had, even had some snow, little flurries and stuff. And those plants were about this big when I started. And as you can see, they're a lot bigger now. So, yeah, you can see these plants here are a lot bigger now. And they're doing great here. Having been out here, I just took the Wallo'Waters off of them today. I'm setting them up here to drain out so they will dry out and we won't get any mildew in them. I can use them again next year. So with that, enjoy the, hopefully this video will provide some information for you and you'll enjoy it. All right, so I hope everything came out good here with it. Had to do a lot of creative editing for this, but I hope you got all the information I was trying to share with you. As always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. Please give me a thumbs up and share this out with any of your friends that are thinking about doing some gardening and they might need the Wallo'Water, and they can learn about it here. Alrighty, take care. See you around.